get to your forecast right now. Not so comfortable, though. It's cold, it's windy. Now we're talking about another nor'easter.
We are talking about another nor'easter, believe it or not, and some people are still trying to dig out from the one we had last week. So let's go ahead and check in with some of our weather watchers at 12:20 and see what kinds of numbers, because obviously Mary mentioned it's cold, and it is. We do have some locations that are in the upper 30s, and of course, we now have some 40s. That's actually really, really good news, and it's a little different from how we started the day. It was very cold, but I want to show you some pictures. These are from Charlie. He is in Narrowsburg, and he told us, yeah, National Guard is there. He said they have basically miles and miles of down power lines. Everyone he knows is without power. He has a generator, but yeah, the cleanup continues. Will we have to do it again? That's the question. First, let's take a look at our currents. This is the wind chill, so this is what it feels like outside right now. Technically, the air temperature is at 41, but it feels like 36 in the city, feels like 23 in Kingston, 24 in Katona, 33 in Colts Neck, and 35 in Lakewood. So still kind of chilly out there. You definitely want to dress for it. Your vortex satellite and radar showing a little bit of cloud cover, but things are dry for us. Had some flurries earlier this morning, especially for eastern Long Island, but now things are dry. They won't necessarily remain that way. We're watching this system, and we're expecting energy from this system to move offshore, develop off the North Carolina coast, and then work its way north, bringing us that nor'easter. So as a result, the National Weather Service has put winter weather alerts in effect, winter storm watches in effect for basically the entire tri-state area. They go into effect late Tuesday night. They remain in effect until early Thursday. Now, this particular Futurecast model says, hey, we're dry on Tuesday night. Nevertheless, that could certainly slow down just a bit. Starting out with some mixed precipitation for a good portion of the area, so we're talking rain and snow. And then this particular model still has quite a bit of mixing in New York City for your Wednesday morning and afternoon before changing over completely to snow. You can see parts of Long Island, at least in this model, still seeing quite a bit of rain. So how much snow does that give us? Depends on the model you look at. The North American says 7 inches in the city. Earlier today, it said 11. It's got 16, though, as you head to Monticello. The GFS says 6 inches of snow in the city, 6.2 in Monticello, 8 in Poughkeepsie, almost nothing for Montauk. And then the RPM says only 1 inch in the city, but 6.6 for Islip. 4.5 for Montauk. So models not in agreement, but we do know that a storm is coming. 44 degrees today. We stay dry, but the 44 feels more like 34. 33 degrees actually tonight, feeling a little bit more like the 20s. Tomorrow's not bad. Mostly clear skies to start, 45 for your high, but then we'll see increasing clouds tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then we get ready for the rain and the snow.
Gonna get hit again. All right, Elise, thank you.